Today's a request with a twist. I was asked if I could do some more beauty unboxing videos, and coincidentally the YSL Beauty team very kindly sent me some products to try. So I thought we could relax, unbox these products and talk about YSL, Yves Saint Laurent. There's a lot about the brand that I thought I knew, but there was so much more that I didn't, and I wonder if we could relax and unbox and discover more about YSL and Saint Laurent. Let's start with the Couture mini clutch, and they say it was designed to mimic the iconic clutch, and it's a little piece of designer wear in your makeup bag, and I do agree it's absolutely stunning. I think if you were gifted this or you treated yourself, you would look after it as your pride and joy. I didn't know that Yves Saint Laurent, the brand, was established in the early 60s because so many people think that it's been established far earlier than that. But when he got his lucky break, it was because he was spotted for designing dresses for his mum and sister and had his breakthrough with French Vogue. This eventually led to him training in haute couture, and it also led to an apprenticeship at Christian Dior. He even became the head designer at 21 when Dior sadly passed away at only 57 years old. But then life experiences happened, things changed, there was a difficult situation, and he left to start his own fashion house. The next product is the Touche Éclat Blur Primer, and as you can imagine, if it's Touche Éclat, it's going to be illuminating and it's going to help to boost radiance. And I found out some really interesting information about the original Touche Éclat, the Radiant Touch. But before we chat about that, let me tell you that this uses light diffusion technology, and it's also excellent under foundation to give you a boost of radiance, or you can use it alone for that no makeup look. And don't you love the little sparkles in it? It's just got that radiance completely through it. It's just, again, a product, an item that would look beautiful on any makeup shelf. So how many of us have used the Touche Éclat or Radiant Touch Click Pen? And you may have bought it, you may have bought something that has been inspired by it. I knew it had been a very well established product, but what I didn't know was that it was launched in the early 90s. I believe it was 1992, and it took Terry de Gansberg, who was the lead makeup artist, the makeup director at the time, took her 3 years to get it greenlit because people couldn't understand. It's not a concealer, it's not a foundation, what does it do? And she was able to actually push forward that innovative click pen technology because her point was that she wanted a product that you could use in the car with one hand, convenient, effective, and had a result. So she was able to create this magic wand, as so many people have called it, and because she didn't really have a budget to promote Touche Éclat, she actually took it around many of the beauty directors of the magazines and just showed them there and then about how this product could illuminate the skin, brighten the eyes, even out the texture of the skin, even out the face. So today, when you think about Touche Éclat and a lot of radiance foundations, radiance concealers, you can thank YSL Beauty. The next product is the Crush Liner Waterproof Stylo, and this is in Noir Intense. Everyone needs a really good liner, and this is waterproof, smudge resistant, transfer resistant. It's a gel liner, and it can help to give you a rich, bold line. It can last for up to 24 hours. It has staying power, and it's also blendable, so you can build up your look. You can have it as subtle or as dramatic as you like. And you probably won't see it on camera, but it's got a very fine tip to it, so you can get exactly the precision that you're looking for. As they say, you can smudge it, or you can have that really dramatic look. And the final product is Lash Clash Mascara, something that you may be very familiar with as it's got a very strong reputation in the industry. What I love about this packaging is it's so statement, it's so fashion. It's got the Y, the S and the L because that's all you need. And a big bulky brush so you can capture those lashes and build it up to the extreme volume that they promise. They say up to 24-hour wear, buildable and volumizing. Did you know that Saint Laurent first launched a fragrance in 1964 and YSL Beauty was launched in 1978? They first focused on bold and bright colours to complement their fashion, and Yves Saint Laurent felt that he really wanted to design for the face in the same way that he designed for the women that he dressed. And I didn't realise that the fashion line is known as Saint Laurent and the beauty range is known as YSL Beauty. It really is an interesting story, and there's so much history to Yves Saint Laurent and the brand, and we take a lot of it for granted, and we expect the makeup to be perfect and very couture, and it certainly is. And I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'd love to know if you have any YSL Beauty products, your favourites and what you love, or if you've got anything that you would love to add to your collection, if you've got your eye on any products or you love the design of the compacts, let me know. Thanks again to the YSL Beauty team, and I hope you have a wonderful day.